thanks so much to Beanbox for sponsoring today's video.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are doing a what I eat in a day. I'm showing you guys some recipes and then we're gonna be eating together. So if you guys are ready, don't forget to subscribe and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Alright guys, so once I'm back from the gym, I make myself my smoothie, which I feel like you guys have seen me have so many times before. So I always am sure to add some kind of seed into my smoothies because it's a really great way to get in like your proteins and your fiber. So chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds. I also go in with this mushroom master blend, and then I go in with some Irish sea moss, which has so many benefits, some of which are promoting good digestion, supporting hair, skin, and nails, your thyroid health, gut health. There's a lot others, but you can look it up. And then of course I add in my banana. I always go in with oat milk or almond milk. Here I'm going in with strawberries. You can add whatever kind of fruit that you like. Here I'm going in with that mushroom master blend, the Irish sea moss, which is kind of like a jelly consistency. And then I go in with this vegan mass, which is a really good way to help me get in my calories. I don't like to eat big meals, I just can't. So this is a really great way to get myself full in the morning. And then I'm sure to leave my vitamin box right where I usually blend my smoothie so that I won't forget to take my daily vitamins. Cheers. Also, I love that coffee maker because it makes my coffee really hot. And I feel like the Nespresso Virtuo also love it, but I feel like the coffee comes out like ready to drink. And you guys know me, I like everything to be like really like on the verge of burning my mouth. So oh, it's so good. So this is actually from Beanbox, which is a coffee tasting box subscription. You actually select your coffee preferences and then they send you varieties based on that selection. So I've definitely found some of my new favorites. And then once you find your favorite, you can go ahead and purchase those in a bigger size. And it's honestly awesome because you guys know that I love trying different coffees. So I've kind of been obsessed with this. It tastes so good. It tastes like a warm hug. And I love it because since you do get to try out different flavors, you get to find what you like without having to go and purchase like a bunch of different coffees, you know? So like when I was first getting into coffee, I didn't really know what I like. And I kind of wish I would have had something like this. This one right here has notes of milk chocolate, fig, and hazelnut. But like I said, they do have so many different blends and you get to try out 4 in a box, and you guys get to have the box for $5 if you guys use my code. But if you guys do use my code, please let me know what you guys think about it. I'm actually so excited that you guys are able to get this on a discount because $5 is literally like nothing. So I'm pretty excited about this. And I'm just excited in general because I get to try out so many different flavors. Like I still haven't gotten to try all of them because I've low-key kind of been obsessed with like certain ones. You guys, it's so good. It's so good. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna be making some French toast. It's kind of later in the day, honestly. I think it's like noon or something, but I just now got hungry We're using the Trader Joe's pumpkin brioche bread because it's bomb. You guys know that I always pretty much just eyeball everything because I'm professional like that. Just kidding. I'm probably just gonna make one. I'm not gonna make very much. In here we have egg, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and oat milk. Alright guys, the secret ingredient here are frosted flakes, okay? It's so good. It just adds texture. It makes them like glazy because of the sugar. Honestly, they're so good. I made 1.5. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and put it into the air fryer. Let me close it up. There we go. We'll probably put it on for like 6 minutes. This thing is kind of amazing, honestly. And I want to give you guys like a proper review once I kind of use it more. And like Michael and I made some stuff yesterday and it's honestly really amazing, but we're gonna give you guys like a full review. Look at that, guys. In 6 minutes, it's so nice and crunchy. You can see the golden color, and I did use frosted flakes, so it's like kind of melty. You can kind of see like a glaze. So good. All right, guys, I added some blueberries, some strawberries, and some powdered sugar, and you cannot tell me that this does not look like you got it at a restaurant. Okay, the air fryer has absolutely changed my life. And like, look at that. Honestly, I'm so excited about the air fryer. It has like changed our lives. Like we have been using it nonstop. It's like a 14-in-1. It has so many gadgets and so many things. So we're definitely gonna make like a video showing you guys all of the different things that it has in it. But we made rice yesterday and it was honestly bomb. We made like salmon bites and they were so good. But it's like a process to cook and then you have to clean. It's like a whole thing. But it was really good and it's so easy and so fast. Like the actual cooking part is so easy and so fast. It's just like the actual like preparation of it. And then the cleaning, that's like a whole thing, you know? Also, these blueberries are so good. Listen, not to toot my own horn, but this is definitely better than French toast that I've gotten at restaurants. I tried to film this video yesterday, but as you can see, I was trying to do like change up the style and do a little bit of like ASMR moment, you know? And Michael was on his computer and he kept clicking. And I was like, dude, you're ruining my ASMR moment. And so he was like, just wait till tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go golfing. So he's like off on a little day date by himself. He went golfing and he went to the gym. All right, guys, so here is my ramen. I'm honestly so excited to have this because I haven't had it in a while. But it's pretty good today.
Alrighty guys, so it's like 6:30 p.m. We brought out our overnight oats and I added some blueberries and some cashews. You can definitely add whatever floats your boat. Alright guys, we're going to be making one of my favorite snacks ever. It's so delicious and so filling. It's overnight oats. I'm going to be going in with rolled oats from Trader Joe's, and we are doing 1 cup of rolled oats and then 1 cup milk, so even parts. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some hemp seeds. I'm doing 2 teaspoons of hemp seeds. You can also do chia seeds if you'd like. I like to switch it up, but I prefer hemp seeds. Then I'm going to go in with this coconut milk vanilla yogurt. I love adding this in because it just gives it this extra vanilla taste. But if you do want to add sweetener, you can go in with maple syrup or honey. Then we're going to go ahead and mix everything evenly, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. So this is what my bite looks like. It's pretty hefty. And what's really fun about this is that you can switch up the toppings. So sometimes I'll do strawberries, sometimes I'll do bananas. I've done peach before. And there are so many different kinds of nuts. So there's like macadamia nuts, there's walnuts, there's pecans, there's chia seeds. No. I mean, you could also do chia seeds, but it's already in here. Like pumpkin seeds, like the options are. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video, but I did want to say that while I was reviewing the video, I noticed that I never once drank anything besides coffee. I was drinking water throughout the day. Usually I just try to drink water and kombucha, and I've been out of kombucha, so water is a way to go, but I did drink a big glass of water right when I woke up. And then just randomly throughout the day. So just wanted to put that out there. I do drink water. I do drink stuff. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know down below in the comments what else you guys want to see from me. And I will see you guys very soon.